Comparison of integers. So today we will compare the integers. How to compare the integers? The very first one is positive integers are always greater than the negative integers. So positive integers will be greater than the negative integers. Let us take up one example. Like if I take one number 142 and minus 341. So we know positive integers are always greater than the negative one, whether it is having the bigger value, but negative integers will be smaller. So minus 341 will be less than 142. So 142 is greater than minus 341. It means positive integers are always greater than the negative integers. You can take up any example. Next is comparison with 0. So first of all, 0 is less than every positive integer. 0 is less than every positive integer. See, 0 is in the center on the number line. On the right side, there are all positive integers, and on the left side, there are all negative integers. So we can say that positive integers are on the right side. It means 0 will be always less than the any positive integers. The same way, 0 will be greater than every negative integer. How? Let us see on the number line. When we move on the number line towards the right side, the numbers keep on increasing. It means 0 is the bigger number than all the negative numbers. So we can say 0 is greater than every negative integer. When we move towards the right side on a number line, the numbers keep on increasing. So that is why 0 will be greater than every negative integer, and it will be as well as less than every positive integer. Next is comparing two negative integers. When we have to compare two negative integers, we know the negative integer with the smaller value is greater integer. So let us consider a number line to explain this. I am considering a number line and I have taken 10 negative integers here and only 2 positive here. So we want to compare two negative integers. So I am talking about that negative integer with the smaller value is greater integer. So we know as we move towards right side, the numbers keep on increasing. So let us compare any two number. Let us take the example minus 8 and minus 3. See, first of all we will mark it on the number line minus 8 and minus 3. When we are moving towards right side, the number keep on increasing. It means minus 3 will be greater than minus 8. So we can say that the number with having smaller value, that is 3 with the negative sign, is greater than the number having the greater value with the negative sign. So one thing you have to keep in your mind, that when you move towards right side of a number line, the numbers keep on increasing. It means minus 8 will be less than minus 3. I hope you understand it. Thank you so much.